Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving right into the fascinating mechanics of digital wealth generation. We're going to explore the intersection of everyday technology, global markets, and tangible, real-world financial success. And we're doing it all through one incredibly insightful snapshot. Let's kick things off by asking ourselves a pretty crucial question. What does financial success actually look like today in the digital age? If you think back just a couple of decades, the picture of an investor was usually a guy in a tailored suit literally shouting on a frantic trading floor, right? It was locked behind incredibly high barriers to entry. But today, well, the landscape has fundamentally shifted. And what we are looking at right now is the ultimate embodiment of that shift. We have a young, casually dressed individual who is seamlessly bridging the gap between digital data on one side and tangible, spendable riches on the other. This is the modern retail investor, taking total control of his financial destiny without ever stepping foot inside a traditional brokerage firm. Section 1. Meet the digital investor. Notice his relaxed, everyday clothing. It's just a simple t-shirt and an overshirt. Combined with that confident smile, it completely strips away the old, stuffy Wall Street stereotype. He represents a younger, highly tech-literate demographic. He's independent, he's self-directed, and he's entirely at ease managing his portfolio right from his couch. He isn't stressed out, he's empowered. Section 2. Tools of the trade. Now, the exact tool he chooses to use speaks volumes. The power of an entire Wall Street trading floor now fits comfortably right in the palm of your hand. Absolutely no massive 6-monitor setups required here. This single piece of everyday consumer technology is his direct gateway to global financial data. And the crazy part, this simple device completely levels the playing field. Historically, the kind of up-to-the-second market access you needed for strategic trades was locked behind thick institutional walls. Now, access to global markets is literally just a screen tap away. Anyone with a solid internet connection can jump in and participate in the global economy. Section 3. Decoding the trends. See those sharp, upward-pointing arrows? They perfectly symbolize a bull market. That's an environment where speculation meets positive momentum. It's all about optimism, right? Rising prices. Breaking upward like that indicates he is successfully riding these positive market waves to build up his portfolio. If we map out that momentum, it reveals an implied exponential growth. With multiple trends moving upward in harmony like this, it suggests a really diversified approach where various assets are simultaneously performing well. So he isn't just making blind guesses, he's following clear, data-driven momentum. Section 4. Currencies and markets. So you might be wondering, what exactly is fueling those trends? Well, look at the distinct dollar and euro signs embedded right into the digital coins. That points us straight to Forex. The foreign exchange market is literally the largest financial market in the world, and our modern investor is right in the thick of it, analyzing shifting global currencies to find his profitable edge. This highlights the truly global nature of his strategy. He's actively comparing and trading fiat currency pairs across different international markets. By weighing the US dollar against the euro, he's essentially making calculated decisions on the economic performance of entire continents. And he's doing it all from that portable device. Section 5. The final output. All right, this is where the digital strategy actually pays off in the physical world. The open hand, welcoming, floating bills and coins represents the ultimate goal here: liquidity and realized gains. Because, it's one thing to see numbers go up on a screen, but it's an entirely different thing to pull that value out into the real world. His relaxed posture, it shows that this wealth generation feels like a natural consequence of smart trades. It's fascinating to break down the diversity of this realized wealth. His returns encompass everything from loose bills for immediate spending power to secure, banded cash stacks for larger savings, and even valuable gold coins, representing enduring, tangible assets. It's a fully realized, wonderfully diversified physical payout. This creates such a beautiful contrast. On the left side, we have the realm of ideas, right? Speculation, trends, and electronic signals. But on the right, we have realization, the undeniable physical proof of a successful strategy. The investor himself acts as this incredibly efficient bridge, converting intangible data directly into spendable currency. Section 6. Your financial blueprint. What we are really looking at here is a clear, highly repeatable 3-step retail investment cycle. Step 1. Market research. That means using accessible technology to track upward trends. Step 2. Digital trade. actually engaging with global markets like Forex. And finally, step 3, profit realization, converting those digital wins into tangible wealth. It's a cycle that literally anyone can emulate. Ultimately, pulling back to see the whole picture, this is a modern blueprint for financial independence. It shows us that with the right tools, a solid understanding of market trends, and, of course, the confidence to execute, the barrier between you and financial success is thinner than ever before. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final provocative thought. The tools are already available to you. The markets are wide open, and the data is flowing 24/7. So the only question left is, what will your financial future look like? Will you remain a spectator watching the trends pass by, or will you take control of your own tablet and turn your digital insights into physical realities? Thanks for joining me. Keep learning, keep analyzing, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.